Hey everyone, Jake here for American Muscle, and in this video we're taking a look at a wheel and tire kit including a set of 2013 GT500 style wheels with Turo AZ850 all-season tires. This kit is designed to fit all 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. The wheels in this kit feature a gloss black finish and a 20 by 8.5 inch size with a 30mm offset, while the tires are 255/35 R20s. In this kit, you will receive a full set of 4 wheels and tires with free mounting and balancing included with your purchase. The 2013 Shelby GT500 is arguably one of the most iconic Mustangs ever made, and if you're like me and you simply can't pony up for an actual GT500 or you just don't need all that much car, this kit is a great way to get some of that car's unique flavor on your own S197. But it's not just about good looks here either, as you do get some serious grip and performance, and you get it all for a really great price. Now before we dive in too deep here, I do want to make a note that this is a square setup, so all 4 wheels and tires are going to be the exact same size, which means that you will have the option to rotate these tires to extend their life. Now the big standout in this kit, and the first thing you're going to notice, are of course these wheels. The 2013 GT500 wheels have been a favorite since that car debuted, and we here at American Muscle wanted to give you all the opportunity to get some of that style without having to spend a fortune or trying to find a set. These feature that wide mesh design, and they have a little bit of concavity here, so combined with that 30mm offset and the 8.5 inch width on these particular wheels, this is going to give you a nice clean stance. As you can see on our car, they fill out the wheel wells pretty well, and they come out right to the edge of the fenders, so it's pretty flush both front and rear. Now unlike the OEM GT500 wheels that inspired these, this set is finished of course in gloss black, gives you that extra little bit of aggression and good looks, and as we know, black goes with everything, so no matter what kind of theme you're going with or what kind of paint color you've got on your car, these are going to look great. Now another place where these are going to differ from the actual GT500 wheels is the sizing. These ones are 20 inches in diameter, so they're a bit larger than the originals that inspired them. And since the wheels in this kit are all the same size, again, you can rotate everything around to help extend your tire's life. Now speaking of tires, the ones in this kit also give you plenty of good stuff. These are the Turo AZ850s, and they're 255/35 R20s in this kit. Now we like the AZ850 around here because it's an affordable tire that gives you plenty of performance. Now Turo brands these as an ultra high performance all season, and they certainly look the part. The central rib and large outer tread blocks give the AZ850 lots of good traction, and you get 4 circumferential grooves for enhanced all-weather performance. The inner shoulder blocks also feature siphoning to help dispel water and debris from the tread itself, so your car can maintain grip in even less than ideal conditions. Now the AZ850s are billed as all seasons, and they do carry the M+S insignia right there on the sidewall. However, I want to throw out with the caveat that if you live in a place that gets a lot of snow and ice, know that these are not going to give you quite enough grip in some really severe weather conditions. The 320 tread wear rating and the AA traction rating are enough to substantiate that, but all tires must have some kind of a trade-off. And the AZ850s are excellent performers in dry, wet, and lighter winter conditions, so that makes them an excellent choice for a daily driven Mustang. They just don't have quite the full-on winter tire chops. Now that's a sacrifice that you make for additional dry grip. Now it is up to you to determine what's going to suit your driving needs best and where you've got to drive your car. But if you want one tire that can do pretty much everything for an affordable price, the Turo AZ850s are going to be it. This kit also includes free mounting and balancing. You can either have them mounted and balanced by us and shipped directly to you, completed and ready to mount on your car, or we'll ship you everything separately and we will set you up with an appointment at a local shop where they're going to mount and balance your kit free of charge. You can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included for an additional charge. However, free installation of those is included with your purchase. The wheels in this kit are cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece, and thus they're pretty strong. Aluminum is also widely used for wheels because of its lightweight and its strength, so you don't have super heavy wheels slowing you down, and you don't have to worry about them if you hit a pothole or something like that. This particular set again features that gloss black powder coating over top for additional good looks and protection against corrosion. So treat these well and they should last you a good long while. As for the AZ850s, these are going to feature that all-season rated compound we were talking about with that AA traction rating and 320 tread wear rating. In addition to the rigid central tread block, the outer tread blocks, and the asymmetric design, these are going to have really good enhanced grip, stability, and wet weather performance. Now when it comes to the price, that might be the best news yet, as this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum. And in fact, this is one of the most affordable kits that we offer for the S197. So if you're after some additional performance, some OEM plus good looks, and just a setup that's going to be great on your car, this is an excellent choice that will not break your budget. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 30 minutes or so to complete. You're going to need a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, your wheel lock key if your car is equipped with wheel locks, and a torque wrench. It's a simple job as you'd expect. These are designed to bolt right on in place of your factory wheels. You don't have to modify, cut, or deal with any kind of other modifications on the car. They're just going to go right on. Now, one thing that is optional here, as you can see, we've got a set of black Acorn lug nuts on our car. You don't need to get them, but I highly recommend picking up a set just because it's going to keep that blacked out theme going. That's going to wrap it up here for this review and install of this wheel and tire kit featuring 2013 GT500 style wheels and a Turo AZ850 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and two 55/35 R20 size tires. This kit is again designed to fit all 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, for all things Mustang, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.